Извини, Leila.
You need to clean up, Mama.
Imaju još gore koliko, 2-3 gajda još.
You need to clean up. You need to clean up. You need to clean up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Извини, мамото. Well, sve, baba.
Ja, ima.
Hello guys, welcome back to the farm. I managed to come with them or with the father because they come here and they're not bringing me, and they already harvested most of this part here. They planted potato here now, they already planted cabbage. Ito yung muna nilang harvest. O, diba? Ang dami. Gusto nila i-dry. And there, they harvested also the onion. I was not here. I don't know why. See? And then the baba is there. So I don't know why they're not calling me when they harvested it. So this time I'm gonna help him out. Ah, lijepa, to je moja slatko krompir, baba.
Lijepa, lijepa, samo kad se trava učupa, onda lijepa.
Yeah, samo trava. These are my sweet potato. It's so nice.
Lijepa ti je i bamnja.
Te-
Gdje si sijal?
Nema, gdje je ovo, baba? A, tamo, baba.
Pa gdje je bamnja?
Nema.
Što nema?
Trava.
Pobjega.
Mm.
Nije htjela da nikne. E sad ću ja to ponovo prikopat.
A, opet nema. Nema. Opet
Nešto će
posadit.
posijat, behija.
Opet posadit.
Šta
Nema.
bilo?
Ima vode, baba. Jun, juli, ogo, septembar. Ne.
Može mahune, može žito, može...
Mahune, okej.
Može... Šta hoćeš s vodom? To motikom, kad se prikopa onda. Šta hoćeš, sijat nešto? Što ne valja baci? Nema ništa.
Look at that. Red. Cervini. Red. White. And juto.
Ma još jedan ovdje.
This one, tinanggal na po nila. They already took the leaves, the stems, and everything. Listen. And see, that's what is left. Parang stalk na lang ganyan. That's what is left. And then, when you want to dig it, there's no more problem. Yan. They will harvest this maybe 15 days or 20 days later. Yan. February, mas neg, baba. Baba nemo, yacho. Ito po yung anong amano namin. Tawag dito. Bunda or squash. Butternut squash yata to. Maraming klase kasi ang squash dito. There's so many different of them. I don't know what is mom planting. This one. And then these are her beans. The colorful beans. And wala pang pwedeng anihin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here at the farm again. I'm with the father-in-law. He's alone this time. They managed to call me and told me that they're gonna harvest some of the potato because yesterday they already harvested the potato, some of the potatoes and the onions. See, most of the onions are gone. Like that. So early morning mom called and she said your father is going to harvest again some potato. Puno.
Još ima gore.
Yeah. Oh my god. There's a lot that needs to be seen. Look. Ooh.
Ima crveni.
Yeah. And there's more. Ooh.
Aj, dobro, kuće. Nije bio u redu.
These are my sweet potato. Ang ganda. Ganda ng tubo nila. Ganda ng tubo ng kamote ko. Ayan, kamote, kamote. Ang ganda ng tubo ng kamote. That's it for now guys, because we're going to a birthday party. So we're gonna travel far. We're taking the kids. So I'm just here to give you a glimpse on how my father harvests his potato. And for the meantime, this is it. And then I will show you the rest of the potato that father's gonna bring home, because I think there will be lots of it today. Look, only how many, 2 buckets already that we took from this one lane only. That one. So that's it for now, and see you soon in my next video about my gardening. Bye guys.